Hello guys, today I want to make an unboxing of the new G Shock of 2019. It was released in the January of 2019. It was themed in Sakura, pink Sakura of flower of Japan. So let's check it out. I just bought it from Yodobashi camera. So let's do unboxing, starting right now. Careful, right? Okay. Let's check it out. Inside. Okay, at least we try. Let's see what is inside this box. Guarantee comes with G Shock. Yeah, I'm not sure if you see the G Shock is in a Sakura color or pink color. Usually it is in white color, but now it's in pink color. So check it out. This is the model number, if you can see. Okay, DW6900 TCB-4JR. Then this is the Casio warranty. Let's check this out. Pink, bro. Nothing. And look, it's beautiful, beautiful, so beautiful. To give this to someone special. She loves pink, so I thought that she might love this gift, maybe. So this is the box. Inside this was like this. Check it out. Wow, look at this. So beautiful color. The pink is just nice. See. There's Sakura petal on the strap, not strap, what is this? Band. On this. It's very nice color. It's written in Japan. Yeah, this is also Japan. It's quite rare. Usually you find yeah, it's in China or Thailand, but this one is from Japan. Let's see the backing plate. The back plate. I'm not sure. This one, back plate. This is okay. See light one more time. Light mode as usual. Watch. Blue color like light. See, this one is very beautiful. I love the color. Although my skin does not fit this color, I think she'd love it. She will love this. I will give this on her graduation day. next year. So what do you guys think about this watch? Please comment below. And don't forget to click subscribe button if you are new on this my page, my movie. Okay, that's all. See you guys. Bye bye.